Ko te Whareroa Kaihau, no Ngāti Te born and raised in Waiuku, and tonight he is singing a song, Stand By Me. Tēnā koe hoa. Now you started working as a bricklayer, but you've had a bit of a change. Tell us about it.
Yeah, I was a bricklayer, I think like last year, and I didn't really like the job. Now I work as insulation, and it's a worse, that job, you know. But I guess mahi's mahi, so I'm there to make the money for my family.
Kei te tika tāwe hoa, ka rawe. Now, while you're busy doing that mahi, there's something else you'd rather get busy doing. What is that?
Try to get busy with my music, you know. I love music, and yes.
So one day your aspirations are to be a musician and do your own thing, make your own music?
Yeah.
Awesome, you've got the potential here. We're going to let you go to do your thing now. Haere ki tērā taha. This is Pakipaki tuarima, te Whareroa Kaihau, me tana waiata, Stand By Me.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid, no, I won't be afraid, just as long as you stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the skies that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, stand now, stand by me, stand by me. Oh, kia ora, I'd like to make a shout out to my whānau who's supporting over there. My baby girl who's at home waiting for me to pick her up. My whānau from Bridgewater, my Ngāti side. Everyone here who's supporting the people that are coming on. And have a good night, whānau. Darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, you just stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, stand now.
Aue e te iwi te atahua atu o tērā kai waiata. Brother, you, I will stand by you with a voice like that, stand by you. You will sleep. How was that? You know, I know that your dream is to become a muso. And how was that for a first taste? That's a bit of a taste of what you're going to get. How was it for you?
Yeah, good day.
Was not much words, but he can sing, eh, whānau? Me, kāra
Te Whareroa Kaihau, ko eke ki te taumata tuarua. Second place ngā mihi ki a koe e te prata.